What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see we got a plan today. The plan is to shake Big Meech down on these fold, man. Boy, I've been waiting. I've been wanting to. Had a little pop-up shower. But it's all good, man. Cause early. They're gonna dry up and stuff. And shoot, we're gonna be good to go. But we got a super busy day today. So the plan is to get this done before it get dark. Man, we're gonna be scrambling. But hey, we're gonna try to get it done. Like, we gotta run around now. We up and at it. Y'all hear the truck running, man. So I'm finna get on the move, and then we're gonna see what Meech hitting like on these folds and stuff, and just see what it do, man. Like I said, shake down on the first shakedown on the 20-fold, and I'm gonna see. We're gonna catch the outside footage of it, cause I want to see what it's gonna be moving like too myself. I want to see what the traction gonna be like, all of that, man. But I think I about got it. Like I said, I know how to set these shots. I know how to tune these shots and stuff. So I think I got something pretty straight for it. So y'all just stay tuned. Gonna check back in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in. So look, as y'all can see, it dark, man. I mean, it ain't even that long after we got back, man. It dark, but this time we got it done. We got it done right in time, man. Right in time. When I say today been busy, today been busy. But I'll say it, no matter what, I was hustling, boy. I was hustling trying to get back, boy. I said, hey, I told wife, I was like, man, we got to get this footage. We got to get this footage. And I'm anxious, man. I was anxious to drive. I'm still anxious to drive it. Just to drive it because I got the 24s on. But I probably supposed to rain tomorrow. So it might rain again tomorrow, I should say. And it might not. The weather crazy. But whatever next clear day, I need to take a good drive in that joker, man. Like, I need to take me a good long drive in the car. I ain't took a good long drive in it. I might drive this summit this week. Now y'all know what? I'ma wait. I'ma hit the track. Man. I ain't trying to put a whole lot of miles on it. I just thought about it. I got fresh plugs in it. It's already set up for nitrous now. So I probably ain't gonna drive it. I made a little hit for y'all, boy, but that thing strolling, man. Meech is just different. I'm talking about Meech different, boy. When I seen, I should have, man, we were going so fast, I ain't even grabbed the GoPro, man. I should have put that GoPro in there, boy. I said, I lost it. I said, man, when I saw what that joker did, and it's still, y'all heard the time, man, but I got the shots. Sitting pretty, they ain't bad. Not for just straight out the muscle, just winging it. That's how I said, all right, the shots, they pretty, they straight, man. They straight. I mean, for the first hit, man, I'm gonna put it like this, cause it ain't even no secret when it comes to this. That joker, that first hit ever on the rim, that joker already went fast in Dolo. On wheels, that joker already went fast. In Mexico, I should say. The track could be different. I don't know, Kyle. But I'm just saying the track is stick. And I ain't laying in that joker, Kyle. It still break traction. When I drove it home the other day, I was testing. I said we coming to back roads and all that, man. I rolled about 35. I was rolling 38 mile per hour, and I said it still break traction hard. Like, get on the tire sideways. So I was like, man, I don't know. And I do that. To know my car. Cause I put up a video on my Facebook, man. It done went up top. They just got about 300,000-400,000 plays. It probably got 500,000 plays now. I put up a reel. The comments is just crazy, man. With Meech with breaking tracks on the interstate, the comments is just insane, man. I like, boy, the people on the internet. That's all I can say. People on the internet, but I do that thing. I do that, like I said, to give y'all some content. But it ain't something I'm just going out doing all the time, man. I also do it for myself to know how my car acts and reacts. You got to know your car. You and your car got a bond, man, like a relationship. You got to know your car. Like I got to know that if I'm in traffic and I'm on the interstate on these particular tires or these particular tire, and I'm trying to pass a car, or I need to get on it and get out of the way in a hurry, I need to understand that I can't just step on it. You know what I'm saying? It's stuff like that, knowing if I just step on it, they're just going to get the spinning tire. All right, well, if I'm in R&B, I can step on it. I'm safe. You know what I'm saying? It knowing that stuff like that, you got to know your car when you're dealing with horsepower, man. You got to know your car because anything can happen. You got to be ready for situations. It's that people talking about, why you spinning on the interstate and stuff. I'm like, man, stuff can break on these cars, and then, you know, same thing. You go out there and kill somebody, man. Something break, you ain't mean it to happen. And it was a guy in the comment, he was like, well, the difference is if something breaks on your car versus what you're doing, it'll be a criminal charge. I'm like, nah, it's a situation going on right now. I don't know if y'all know this or heard about the news. Guy had a lifted truck, brake failure, man. It killed somebody, and they talking about charging the man. It messed up though. It messed up to me. I mean, he had a part failure, man. It messed up. But that's what I'm saying. That's the world today. Society, man. You can have a part failure, go out there, and then you don't mean no harm. And the way this system set up, man, they try to throw you under the jail. So it like, man, when you doing stuff like that, like what I did, it knowing your car, knowing your ability, like people, you know, talking about I was holding with one hand. You got to know what you can do, what you're capable of. If I know I couldn't handle that car, I wouldn't do that. But still, I would go out there. I would have got off of it, I should say. I would have got off of it, but you got to know your car, man. You got to know your car, long story short. And all I know right now is that joker is a dog, boy. Meech, I told y'all, man. Y'all kept saying, ready to see Meech. I can't wait. When you gonna put Meech together? I said Meech gonna be worth the wait, man. Y'all can't tell me. Y'all can't come on here and tell me Meech won't worth the wait, man. Y'all can't tell me Meech won't worth the wait. Best thing smoking in the entire fleet, man. My favorite car. And I guess the newer people, they probably watching, man. You know, I probably have people younger. I'm going to say 17, 18 up there watching, man. If they 17, 18 watching, you know, I'm 37. So, I've been doing this junk since my early 20s. So, they probably, obviously, when watching it and they ain't familiar, they don't know the history about me or how long I've been in the game. But, like I said, cause people ask, what's my favorite car? And I be forgetting that I got new people watching me, man, every day. People getting into the game. You got new guys, new faces getting into the car game. And they learning, man, you know, gravitating toward who they gravitate toward. Cause a lot of OGs, it's a lot of up and coming people in the game doing great things and stuff. So I be having to constantly remind myself, shit, Jay, some people just now learning. You know, they don't know the history and all that. Or some people just now finding my channel and finding out about who Jmalcom is. Just like you might have an OG rapper been in the game a long time, they still doing it, but people don't know about them until they do their research. So I be having to constantly think about that. But Big Meech is my favorite car. The one y'all saw today, that's my favorite car out of everything. Only car in my entire fleet that got sentimental value to me. And I might do another updated video on the story of Big Meech. The car and stuff, where the name come from. But you can go look at Real Rides. Go check out the Real Rides channel. And you can type in Real Rides, R-I-D-E-Z, Jmalcom. And it'll pull up, man. I did my whole story. It's a night interview he put together, man. It's real professionally done. So y'all can go check that out. Real Rides on Jmalcom. and you can hear everything, man. So, but that joker, that nag was moving now. Don't get me wrong, I'm telling y'all, man. That nag was moving something. That joker, the first pass, the first hit, it went faster than Meech. I mean, not Meech. It went faster than Dolo ever been in the road with Mexico. I'm telling you, that joker different. And boy, the number it put down, I said, that's crazy. And that car spinning the tire too. That car spinning the tire, man. Yeah, in the car, if I had a camera in the car, y'all would be able to hear it even better. But the car was still light hazing the tire. You couldn't hear it though. I said, man, this joker here, man. This car crazy. That car crazy, man. On 24, boy. I ain't think I'm gonna go that fast. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. I honest to God did not think the car gonna go that fast. I was looking for it to go out there and just continue to blister the tire. But I managed it too, power wise, and I'm like, that joker went. Good grace of life, boy. We working with something. But yeah, I probably ain't gonna drive the car that more this week. I ain't gonna tarnish the plug too bad. I wanna keep them good, ready for nitrous. Said Fred tune up. I'm gonna get some racing gas. Cause when we go to the track, man, I'm gonna be ready. I'm gonna be ready, man. It's supposed to be Saturday, so Friday, man, I'm gonna go ahead and put my tires on, put the new radials on, new front runners on, and that joker gonna be on go ready. We're gonna be on go ready, man. Taking the Fred nitro bottle with me. I might have two. I might be done bought me another one by now, cause I got two for Dolo. And I need two for Meech, man. Meech uses a 15-pound nitro bottle. Dolo uses the 10-pound bottles, which is your normal size nitro bottle. Meech used the big tall one, man. Cause Meech got a water hole for a nitro line. That joker look like a baby water hole in the back of that car, man. But yeah, that what we're doing, man. Out top, the first hit on the motor. The first hit on the motor, I feel like with the suspension being right, it gonna already go faster than what y'all saw the first pass. When it cocked up all dead like that, off the trailer, it gonna go faster than that. I guarantee it. Y'all remember what I said now? First hit off the trailer, that joker gonna go faster than what it did when it did all that. It went fast too now. It went fast, but straight out the trailer. So, got that coming, man. I'm glad y'all got to see the footage and this and that, man. So we're gonna keep it rolling. Hopefully it don't rain too much tomorrow, man, cause we're gonna be tinkering with Grandma Nana. I gotta give y'all an update on that, cause Grandma Nana dropping numbers down too. Cause I did a personal best on Grandma Nana, boy. It get better every time. Get better every time. Y'all know that car right there. I'm showing y'all everything. I'm documenting so y'all can see how to drop your ET and all that, make your car a little quicker and all that. But you know, you might not want to go extreme. You might want to be daily driver like Nana. Well, all my car daily driver, but it just depends on how extreme you want to go. Y'all know what I mean. But yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.